Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to program the automatic power windows on a Subaru. If you change the battery or it gets disconnected, you'll have to reprogram these for them to operate correctly. We're going to start with the passenger's window. You're just going to hold this down. Hold it down for a few seconds. And then go up all the way. And same thing, hold it a few seconds, and we'll test it out. Back to the driver's switch. And now the window works. And same thing on the driver's side. You're just going to roll the window down all the way, hold it a few seconds. And with this one you may have to work the window up a few times. Hold it all the way in the up position a few seconds. And test that one out. Now we have both power automatic windows working.